It was bonkers. This continues to be bonkers. I'm aware it's bonkers. Hello, welcome back to Classics with a Quirk, where we talk about contemporary and luxury designer items and brands with a touch of silliness. This is the kind of content you find interesting. Please do like this video and subscribe for more of it. Thank you. All right, so this feels like the never-ending saga, ongoing and ongoing and ongoing, and I don't know why it won't just stop, but I think it's a mix of me being cursed and also the universe having a sense of humor, which is good, I guess, because like I have a sense of humor, and at this point I think this is just very, very funny. So I don't know how this is going to turn out, but either way, it's hilarious. What is this, you might ask? Well, as some of you may know, I purchased a YSL wristlet back in November. It was this wristlet, actually. Well, it wasn't this particular wristlet. I purchased this wristlet back in November and the order was canceled in January. Then I purchased it again and there was a Schrodinger's box cat, whether or not it would be the right color, a green or a gray. I made a video about it. I'll link it for you above and below. And I unboxed the wristlet. I finally got this wristlet in this color that I wanted. It's gorgeous. I love it. Look at that. It's great. It didn't come with the wristlet strap. Made a video about that too. I did a lot of videos about this one wristlet. So many. There are too many, probably. Too many videos about this one attempt at a purchase. Anyway, long story short is I decided to keep this. I decided to keep this wristlet, this particular one that did not come with a wristlet strap, and I purchased a third-party chain strap that I then attached myself. Wasn't that hard. There's a D-ring. I figured that was the end of the story. Like I made a video about that. The end of the thrilling saga, I believe is what it was called, something along that line. And that was the end of the story, or so I thought. So I believe that I released that video last Tuesday, and then last Wednesday a viewer named Elizabeth commented on that video saying Nordstrom has it in stock right now. And it was true. I went to the website and checked Nordstrom and they had, miraculously, they had the wristlet in that color in stock, in the green-filled color. Now, I would just like to say that so many of you have reached out to me during this ridiculous, harrowing time. So silly. So many of you have reached out to me throughout this entire process, letting me know that Nordstrom had the mini loop camera bag in the green color that I like, telling me that the wok was in stock. Some of you sent me essay information. Like, so many of you have been absolutely delightful in this attempt, this combined communal attempt to get me to get this color, an item in this candy green color, this field, it's technically called field green. We've all been, like, it's been a combined effort to try to get me an item in this green field color. And I appreciate every single one of you. All of you who have reached out, all of you who have left comments, like that's so cool. You're all so cool. Thank you. I appreciate all of you. In this particular instance though, Elizabeth said that Nordstrom had it in stock and I panicked a little bit. I stopped what I was doing, which was good. I was kind of at a break in like lull in my workday. So I just like, okay, I checked the website. It was in stock. And I was this close to just purchasing it and then attempting to process the return. But I said, no, calm down, self. You already technically have the item. Don't buy it a second time. That's nonsense. Just contact Nordstrom and see if they'll process an exchange. So I did. I called Nordstrom and I spoke to a very lovely customer service representative and he was very adamant on attempting to get me this piece. We processed the exchange together. He sent me like a link to pay $0 essentially to buy the piece, process the exchange, said that he would give me express 2-day shipping for the inconvenience of receiving a damaged item in the first place, because I explained the entire thing to him. It was bonkers. This continues to be bonkers. I'm aware it's bonkers. So that was it. I bought the item and I didn't know if I was supposed to send my item, my missing wristlet strap item, back to Nordstrom before I received the new one. And then I would be like tempting fate, like set mine out into the ether and possibly not get one back. But this arrived in the mail, like literally today. I'm doing this right now. I just got it and dropped everything to film a video because I want to know and need to update all of you, obviously, as well. So I don't know what's in this box. It's supposed to be another wristlet in the greenfield color. It's supposed to be a wristlet, so it's supposed to come with a wristlet strap. This is not one, rocket science, or two, anything of importance. Like the ultimate of first world issues here. Like, I'm aware that it's not a life or death situation. It's just at this point an ongoing saga, and I would like to see it to the end, and hopefully this is the end, I guess, perhaps. what I'm gonna unbox this, whatever this is. I'm gonna open it, see what it is. Hopefully it's what I expect it to be, which is this exact item, but with the wristlet strap. And then I will send this back to Nordstrom and that'll be it, I guess. I think that's what's supposed to happen. So without any further ado, let's open this box up. All right. I have several people who are just as curious as I am. I don't know if you guys are as curious as I am. I'm sure some of you are just like, stop making videos about this topic. Stop, please, do other videos. But this has been so silly, so ridiculously silly that this is what I mean. Like, I'm just endlessly amused at this point. So let's crack it open. Okay, here it is. Here's the package. The other wristlet didn't come in a box. This did not come in a box. This is just my stuff, and then that. No padding or anything either. Thanks, Nordstrom. But yeah, so it came with the parcel select return service. So this is the smart label, I guess, I suppose. This is what, it's not very well printed, so hopefully that's okay. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna probably just contact Nordstrom and be like, so what do I do now? But anyway, what I do right now is open this thing. So, okay, yeah, so it feels like the right thing. Like I can feel it through the plastic. That's the word, this is plastic. And here it is. It smells very fragrant. That's a weird thing to notice, but it smells very perfumey. Oh, well, I don't care. All right, so let's do this together. Let's just see what this is going to be. Ready? 1, 2. Okay. All right, so far, so good. This is the right color. This is the new one. This is the old one. We've got the right color. Now, let's see here. Yay! Look, the wristlet is attached. There is the wristlet strap wrapped up in some nice foam even, and fresh and new with a little tiny itty bitty bit of tissue paper in it. Yay! And hilariously, yep. Okay, so I just want to check something really quick. So hilariously, the authentication stuff and the care card was not in this, but I think it might be in the bag. Nope, it's not in the bag either. It's just the tag. So this didn't come with the authenticity card, but it did come with the wristlet strap. This did come with the authenticity card and paperwork, but it did not come with the strap. So at this point, I'm not mad. I have the wristlet strap. I didn't expect to get the wristlet strap. I'm gonna just take this off right now. There it is, free and clear with the price tag. That's what it is here. In the event you want to try to track this down, go luck to you, go forth, be merry. I do think it's really funny that it didn't come with the authenticity stuff though. And just for anybody who might be wondering, this is the little care booklet packet that this has, like a little paper authenticity card and like the care booklet stuff. And at this point, I don't care. I don't care. This was such a wild ride. This was hilarious. It's funny too, because like I had made my peace with the fact that I wasn't going to have the wristlet strap and wasn't gonna, like the third party one worked fine. But this was a funny way to end the saga. Thank you, Elizabeth, for letting me know that Nordstrom had one in stock. That's the other thing, by the way. I did the exchange, I processed the exchange with Nordstrom, and then it was out of stock. I checked the website and it was gone again. So I guess I got the last one again. Thank you to everybody who reached out to me to let me know that there were items in stock in this color. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you to the customer service representative who helped me process the exchange. I appreciate him too. And everybody I talked to about this, like you've all been very nice and very putting up with me being very silly. Very, very, very silly. So thank you again for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this last, final, absolutely the end, conclusive update to what has been a bonkers time, genuinely. Like just It's just bonkers. Please feel free to tell me what you think about these more on-the-fly videos. In any case, if you like this video, please do give it a like. It super duper helps the algorithm, and subscribe for more content that helps the algorithm even more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.